Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to message someone on Avakin Life. If you want to message someone on Avakin Life, first of all, launch open the Avakin Life application on your device. Avakin Life lets you chat privately with friends and other players you meet in the game, whether you want to say hello or start a conversation, so here's how you do it. Inside Avakin Life homepage, find someone nearby and tap on their avatar. After you find someone and select them, go to the bottom and tap on their name. Now click on Profile. Now in order to message them, you need to add them as a friend. Tap on Add as Friend, and once they accept your request, you'll be able to message them. Go to the top of the screen and tap on the social button and tap on Friends. And if they have accepted your request, they will be inside the friend list. Now, click on the three dot right next to one of your friends from the friend list and tap on Message. Type in your message for your friend and then click on Send at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to send a message to one of your friends. So that is how you can easily send a message to your friends in Avakin Life. But remember that in order to send a message, they'll first need to accept your request, or both of you must be friends in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.